everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we dive deep into the top 5 batsmen in T20 World Cup history. The T20 World Cup has seen many incredible batsmen over the years, with some players consistently dominating the competition. Here are the top 5 batsmen in T20 World Cup history based on their performances, statistics and impact for their country. Don't miss out on this ultimate T20 World Cup batting breakdown. If you like the content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. To start off the list, at number 5 is AB de Villiers from South Africa. Very renowned as Mr. 360 degrees, AB de Villiers is known for his swashbuckling batting and his array of dominating hitting all over the ground. He has played in a lot of T20 World Cups for South Africa 2007, 2009, 10, 12, 14 and 16, which demonstrates his longevity and versatility and fitness over the years. He has a total of 717 runs across those editions at an average of 30 and a fantastic strike rate of 144. He has been one of the most consistent players in the limited over edition for South Africa. He has been terrific for his country, but despite being one of the most feared T20 players, his impact in T20 World Cup knockout matches were not as prominent as some of his peers. South Africa, often known for faltering in knockouts, saw de Villiers struggle in crucial stages. For example, in the 2014 semi-final against India, he could only manage 10 runs as South Africa fell short. His best performance in a knockout scenario was during the 2009 semi-final against Pakistan, where he scored 35 runs, though South Africa lost that match as well. Even though de Villiers managed to score 35 runs, but he took 40 balls to score those 35 runs, which was very off from someone of AB de Villiers' caliber. While he has dazzled in group stages, his lack of major match-winning performances in knockouts stand as a minor blemish in his otherwise stellar T20 career, and that's why he is number 5 on our list. Number 4. The T20 World Cup winning Indian captain, hitman Rohit Gurunath Sharma. Rohit Sharma has played in all the T20 World Cups till now, starting from the 2007 edition, 2009, 10, 12, 14, 16, 21, 22 and just finished off a stellar 2024 campaign when he led his country to the victory. He has had an incredible performance as a batsman and a captain in the 2024 World Cup. His most memorable knock of 92 of just 44 balls against Australia, which was sort of a revenge because of the loss in the 2020 350 over World Cup final. He has been a mainstay for India in T20 World Cups, but again his performance in the knockout stages has not really been at his peak. One of his more significant innings came in the 2007 T20 World Cup final, where he scored 30 not out of 16 balls against Pakistan to help India post a competitive total and also eventually win the title. In the 2014 semi-final against South Africa, he played a supporting role, scoring 24 off 13 in India's successful chase. These are some of the major contributions that Rohit Sharma has made for India in the knockout stages. Though not always they stand out in knockouts, Rohit's contributions, especially early in his career, were crucial for India's title win in 2007. So, he won his first T20 World Cup, he won his last T20 World Cup in 2024, where he was the captain of his country. Rohit Sharma is easily one of the top T20 World Cup batsmen that the world has ever seen. Coming to number 3 in our list, the universe boss Chris Gayle from West Indies. Chris Gayle has played in the 2007 T20 World Cup, 2009, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 2021 editions of T20 World Cups. He has scored a total of 965 runs at an average of 35 and a strike rate of 143. He scored a century in the first ever T20 World Cup match against South Africa. His explosive hitting has often set the tone for West Indies, particularly in their title-winning campaigns in 2012 and 2016. In the 2012 semi-final against Australia, Gayle scored a brutal 75 not out of 41 balls, which ensured that the West Indies' passage to the final was very easy and simple. While Gayle struggled in the 2016 final, his earlier performances in that tournament, including a century in the opening match, helped West Indies propel to their second T20 title. He was one of the crucial members of that West Indies side that had won 2 titles in 3 editions of the T20 World Cups. His century in the 2016 opener against England had set the tone for West Indies tournament, and he has always showed his ability to shine in key moments. The universe boss Chris Gayle is one of the greatest T20 players of all time, and he is number 3 in our list. Coming to number 2 on our list, it's the Sri Lankan mainstay Mahela Jayawardene. Jayawardene has played in a lot of T20 World Cups, 2007, 2009, 2010, 12 and 14. He has always been the Sri Lankan mainstay alongside Kumar Sangakkara. In these editions of T20 World Cups, he had scored a total of 1016 runs at an amazing average of 39 and a strike rate of 135. He has always been pivotal to Sri Lanka's success and has played off some of the greatest innings in the history of T20 World Cups. He played a pivotal role in taking Sri Lanka to multiple T20 World Cup finals. In the 2014 T20 World Cup final, which Sri Lanka won, Jayawardene scored 24 not out in a tricky chase against India. His other notable contribution came in the 2012 T20 World Cup, where Sri Lanka reached the final but lost to the West Indies. Jayawardene's composure and leadership often came through in these crunch matches. He also had a great contribution in the 2012 semi-final against Pakistan, where he scored a great innings of 42. He was instrumental in building innings and guiding Sri Lanka to several finals, often anchoring the team in knockout games. And that is the reason why Mahela Jayawardene is number 2 in our list of the greatest T20 World Cup batsmen. Now coming to number 1, the greatest ever T20 World Cup batsman. It's Virat Kohli from India. Virat Kohli has played in the 2012, 2014, 2016, 2021, 2022 and 2024 editions of the T20 World Cup. He has been an absolute menace for all the bowlers. He has a terrific average and terrific strike rate in all the editions of the T20 World Cup. Though he was not in the best of his forms in the 2024 T20 World Cup, but he was the man of the match in the finals, scoring 76 in a crucial critical encounter against South Africa, which led India to victory, and he eventually claimed his maiden T20 World Cup title and cemented his legacy in this format of the game. His 82 not out against Pakistan in the 2022 World Cup at Melbourne will forever be remembered and cherished by the Indian cricket fans. His performances in crucial knockout games have been legendary. In the 2014 T20 World Cup, he scored 72 not out in the semi-final against South Africa, taking India to the final. Even though India lost the final to Sri Lanka, he contributed 77 runs in a valiant effort. In the 2016 T20 World Cup, his knock of 89 not out against the West Indies in the semi-final was a standout. India couldn't defend the total, but Kohli was terrific. Despite some losses in knockout games, Kohli's individual brilliance in high-pressure situations is unparalleled, and his chasing instincts are beyond measurable. He has the highest average in T20 World Cup history, which is a testament to his consistency, particularly under pressure. To summarize, we can say that Virat Kohli and Chris Gayle are the standouts in terms of knockout performances. Kohli's ability to perform in semi-finals and finals with consistency has been unparalleled, while Gale's explosive batting has often set up key wins for the West Indies. Mahela Jayawardene was a reliable figure for Sri Lanka, playing key innings in both semi-finals and finals and leading his team to victory in 2014. Rohit Sharma has been crucial for India in some of their T20 World Cup campaigns, but he has not been as standout in knockouts as compared to Kohli or Gale. AB de Villiers, despite his phenomenal skills, his 360-degree skills, his out-of-the-world batting, was terrific in the league stages but was unable to convert his brilliance into match-winning performances in the crunch knockout moments, which is somewhat of a reason that South Africa have struggled in the ICC knockouts. So that rounds about our list of top 5 T20 World Cup batsmen in history. These batsmen's abilities to perform under pressure in knockout games have been the difference between victory and defeat. That's the end of today's video. Do let us know who you think should make the list. For more such content, subscribe by clicking on the bell icon. Thank you and